Hey, what's going on, peeps? Aaron from UAVISUALS, and I'm in a town called Nakuru in East Africa, or in Kenya. And boy, have I got a fun day lined up ahead. Today, I'm going to meet with Johnathan, who is a Maasai Warrior, and I'm going to teach him how to fly a drone. And in return, he's going to teach me how to hunt with his bow and arrow. Yes! Said he was going to meet me here somewhere. All I can see is cows. Johnathan! Looking for him everywhere, and he is chilling under a tree right at the end of the field. Hello.
Hello. Your friends. Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
So this is Johnathan. Johnathan is one of the night guards here at the organization, and he looks after security.
Yes.
Make sure nobody crosses the fence, otherwise they'll get one of these spears through their neck. Is this where you stay? Is this where you just sleep?
Yeah, I was just staying here, around here.
Ah.
Staying here. But there's no any specific place that I'm staying.
Yeah.
I'm going to changing places.
Yeah.
Maybe here I'm staying for a few minutes. Then near the gate there for a few minutes. Then near the other blue comes there for a few minutes. When I was just defend the properties.
So let's have a look at what you're wearing. So this is the traditional Maasai dress.
Yeah, this is a traditional Maasai dress.
Yeah. The blanket.
This is like this is a natural perfume. She is smelling good. If you check this way, this is a natural perfume.
Natural.
Yeah.
For the ladies.
You know, for other people, she brushing like
Spray.
this way. But this one is, we are not using the spray, but using this one. For this.
That's great.
This is my defense.
So this is your main weapon, which is the bow and arrow.
Pardon?
That's your main weapon for security?
Yeah. And this one is support for shoot some distance.
How far can you shoot?
Or even 400 meters, 200, 300.
Yeah. 300 meters?
300 meters, 400 meters. Away.
Whoa.
Yeah. You want me to try?
Yeah.
Okay, can I show you?
Alright, what can we shoot? I don't really want to kill an animal, so maybe we can just try and shoot a target or something. Okay, maybe I'll stick to drones. See how it's done by Johnathan. Hey! That's how it's done. Alright, let's see how good he is at flying a drone then, shall we? Relax, have a fly.
Yeah.
There you go. So did you have fun?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
The fun, I think, this morning, I think it is my fantastic time.
Yeah.
It's an enjoyable time. This morning I've seen the drone, and it's my first time anyway.
First time using a drone? Yeah. And you're very good. You picked it up really quickly.
Yeah,
you can come work for me.
Yeah, very sharp brain. Very sharp brain.
Yeah.
So I think I'm going to look some money.
Oh.
But it's my work.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I have to use it
Yeah.
my place because now I know that how to use it. So it's like PS is using
PlayStation. Exactly.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now I'm proving more and I'm so happy. Very glad.
Good. Excellent.
So happy to see you, man.
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
All right. Take care. Yeah.
So,
Olaseri means bye in Maasai. In Ma. That was so much fun. I can't believe how quickly he picked up flying a drone. It was nuts. Some people take like 4 months just to get around an iPhone or something, but he just give him a Mavic, give him a drone, and off he goes. He said he's going to buy one to help him with his security patrol, so that should be awesome. Good fun. Love Africa.